We are going to review top 5 best cat litter boxes. Let's get started. List number 1. Nature's Miracle High-Sided Litter Box. Does your kitty fling litter every which way when they go to the bathroom? Even worse, do you have a sprayer on your hands? This extra-large litter box has high sides to keep your cat's mess contained to the box. The high sides of this litter box work to keep the mess under control, but the lower front entry point makes it easy for your cat to get in or out. In fact, it's perfect for older cats with arthritis, or kittens who are just learning how to climb in and out of the box. The box is also big enough for multiple cats to share, so if you have an oldie and a baby, this one is a great pick. Nature's Miracle are experts in cat urine odor control and have extended that expertise to their line of litter boxes. This big. List number 2. Petmade Open Cat Litter Box. If your cat keeps it clean, a standard open-top litter box will suit them fine. Easy to scoop and clean, and inexpensive to replace, it's hard to beat this basic buy litter box. The Petmade Open Litter Pan has a wide base, making it comfortable for cats of all sizes. Unlike covered cat boxes, it's spacious on all sides, letting your cat turn around with ease. Plus, with all that extra space, your cat can shake off the litter inside. That means less litter tracking. This box isn't just good for your cat, it's designed to make your life easier, too. The comfort grip rim is easy to lift, and provides stability when the box is filled with heavy litter. Plus, it's made from durable plastic that's easy to clean. List number 3. Iris Top Entry. There are lots of modern litter boxes out there, but they're often quite expensive for what they are, a cat toilet. The Iris Top Entry box, on the other hand, delivers style for $30. With its rounded edges and small footprint, it fits in your small bathroom or micro-studio apartment. Plus, it comes in several gray, black, and white color profiles to suit modern decor. The best thing about this litter box has to be its functional design. It doesn't just look good, the high walls and top entry eliminate litter tracking and contain spray. The grooved lid catches extra litter from your kitty's paws, keeping your floors clean. And the included litter scoop hangs from a hook on the interior of the box, keeping it out of sight but easily within reach. List number 4. Bougie Clean Step. If top entry won't work for your cat but you still want to contain the mess, check out this hooded box with a staircase entry. The grooved litter cling steps gently wipe your cat's paws as they exit the box, keeping your floors litter-free. And the large cover conceals litter, and the stuff your cat leaves behind, out of sight, so your guests won't encounter any unpleasant surprises. The dome lid doesn't just hide your cat's activities from guests, more importantly, it gives your cat privacy. Some cats simply prefer to do their business behind closed doors, and this large litter box lets them do just that. Speaking of large, it's true, the Bougie is big. It's not ideal for hiding in the corner, but it's perfect for cats who need lots of room to do their business. List number 5. Nature's Miracle Advanced High-Sided Corner Litter Box. Looking to shove that litter box into a corner? This high-sided option from Nature's Miracle has 10-inch walls that contain litter scatter and spray. And like other Nature's Miracle litter boxes, it has an antimicrobial surface that helps control odors. If you have multiple cats, this big box is ideal because it holds a lot of litter. Of course, you still have to scoop regularly. Luckily, the rounded edges and non-stick surface makes it super easy to clean. And the low, rounded entry isn't just easier for your cat, it doubles as a pouring spout so you can easily change out the litter. Reviewers note that this litter box is big. While it might not be ideal for small spaces,